So we're entering into the final stages of our garden project. It started off with this fence system. The fence system is a cumaru, a very hard rainforest wood that's been treated, and we've picked the straightest pieces of wood. Each panel is individual. The posts are 1.6 meters, I believe, 1/3 underground. They're capped. Everything is tongue and grooved, so the panels slide in. So we start off with privacy panels at the beginning, and then we go to open slats as we go down. Each one is individual, so these were made exactly for our slope. So what we actually have is the cap comes off so the panel can slide out, and at the bottom we have a kickboard which is made by a roker, and it's thumb screwed so that we can adjust the angles according to our slope. The posts are 1/3 into the ground, and they have a protective sleeve which sits at water level, 150 mil above and 150 mil below, and the posts are domed with postcrete. The chip-ins go down 200 mil, and underneath there's a weed suppressant. So we believe this is quite weatherproof and should last us 20 plus years. As I say, everyone's individually made.